Biography of David Gore, the elegant genius of English cricket, London Sports Desk. Former England captain David Ivan Gore, OBE, one of the most stylish and graceful batsmen in cricket history, was born on April 1, 1957 in Tunbridge Wells, Kent. Educated at the King's School, Canterbury, Gore's natural talent with the bat was evident from his school days, where he was a standout performer in the first 11. He began his first-class career with Leicestershire in 1975, immediately catching the eye with his effortless stroke play and calm temperament. Over the next 2 decades, he would go on to play 448 first-class matches, scoring 26,339 runs at an average of over 40, with 53 centuries to his name. He later joined Hampshire in 1990, rounding off a prolific domestic career. Gore made his Test debut for England in 1978 against Pakistan at Edgbaston, scoring an elegant 58 on debut. From there, he never looked back. Between 1978 and 1992, he represented England in 117 Test matches, scoring 8,231 runs at an average of 44.25, including 18 centuries and 39 50s. In 114 ODIs, he added 3,170 runs, further solidifying his reputation as one of England's most dependable and stylish top-order batsmen. His finest moment as captain came during the 1985 Ashes series, when England under his leadership defeated Australia 3-1. His tactical acumen and calm authority drew praise from test mates and critics alike. However, his laid-back demeanor sometimes led to friction with management, most famously during the 1990-91 tour of Australia, when he and John Morris took an unsanctioned joyride in a tiger moth biplane, a story that became part of England cricket folklore. Known for his lazy elegance, Gore's batting was all about timing and grace rather than brute power. His cover drives and late cuts were the stuff of legend, earning him comparisons with cricket's great artists. Critics sometimes mistook his relaxed style for carelessness, but his record and longevity told another story. Following his retirement in 1993, Gore made a smooth transition to the media world, becoming one of the most respected voices in cricket broadcasting as a presenter for Sky Sports and the BBC. His articulate analysis and trademark wit made him a household name beyond the boundary. Today, David Gore stands not just as a great cricketer, but as a symbol of grace and sportsmanship, representing an era when cricket was played as much for artistry as for results. His influence endures both in commentary boxes and in the memory of fans who still recall the effortless beauty of his batting. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deal with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koi Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.